In this video, I'm going to show you how to create matching rules to be more time efficient. To do this, we firstly need to go to the bank area on the left hand side of the screen. All we need to do is locate the bank account where the bank feed is set up and click the import button. You'll see at the top of the screen, once in here, there is an option for matching rules. In the matching rules section, you will see there is an auto assign rule. This means that if there's a bank payment that is for a sales or a purchase invoice, it will automatically allocate it to the correct invoice based on the due date, value, and the date of the transaction. Matching rules can be set up to automatically post transactions, which can speed up the matching process and make you more efficient. To create a new matching rule, all you need to do is click on the Create button on the top right hand side of the screen. Please note that the rules need to be set up for each separate bank account. So if you have different rules for your current account, your credit card account, etc., you will need to follow this process separately in each individual account. The first thing you need to do is select whether the rule is triggered by money coming in, money going out, or either on the bank account. You then need to enter the information into the search box. The text in here must mirror what actually appears on the bank statement in order for the rules to be effective. The shorter the text, the better. For example, on the bank statement we appear as micro business team, so the rule should just be micro business. Right, so we're going to set up some rules. The first one I'm going to set up is for MBT. So the description on my statement actually says rent, but for you it'd be micro business. We're going to create a new bank transaction, and then we just need to select the code that needs to go to. So this is going to be accountancy fees. We can then select the VAT rate, it's at 20%, and the rule name for this is MBT. Then all we do is click Save. That rule has now been created. I'm just going to create a new rule, so we're going to create another one. So all you need to do is put in the search box whatever appears on the bank statement. Again, we're going to create a bank transaction, and this is going to be funds withdrawn. The VAT rate for this is NA, and the rule name is going to be dividends. Save. Then we're going to create one more rule. Money going out, it actually says PayPal in my bank account, but just for an example, we're going to say this was a payment to HMRC. So we're going to come in here and choose HMRC VAT, and again the VAT rate is NA, and I'll just give that rule HMRC. So we've set up 3 rules within this bank account. Make sure you use the correct VAT rates that are applicable, and please refer to the previous video for more information on this. Please use clear references when paying yourself to make these work, for example salary, dividends or expenses. If a matching rule has allocated a transaction incorrectly for a specific reason, then you can just press the cross button and use a manual matching process to allocate these correctly. So we will see here, if we go into bank feeds and I select the date range of the transactions that I want to import and retrieve the transactions, we'll now see those rules have taken effect. I have an invoice matched in here, so the payment coming in has matched against that invoice. We can see the rules that I set up for PayPal, rent and credit card. So for instance, HMRC VAT, accountancy fees and our dividends have all been picked up and they've all been posted against the correct nominal code on the right hand side of the screen. As we mentioned, there is a cross button, so if you need to make an amendment you can just hit the cross button here and then it will bring up the match button again. Please refer to the video on manual matching these one-off transactions and you'll be able to see how you can do this. Once all of the transactions have been matched, make sure that you click the Import Now button at the top of the screen. Once you have set up these matching rules once, it will speed up your processing moving forward. For more information on this, please contact us on helpme@microbusinessteam.com or call us on 0203 397 4025, and please watch our next setup video, adding director expenses or bank transactions manually.